In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a sheet based on a cell value in Excel. This is a really useful trick when you want your worksheet tab to update automatically as information changes inside the sheet. For example, instead of manually renaming a tab every time a value changes, you can link the sheet name to a specific cell and let Excel handle it for you. To get started, open your Excel workbook and go to the Sheet tab named Rename at the bottom. In this example, the goal is to make the sheet name update based on whatever is entered in cell L8. That means whenever the value in that cell changes, the Worksheet tab can change to match it. Next, right-click the Rename tab at the bottom and choose View Code. This will open the Visual Basic editor for that specific worksheet. If you haven't used this area before, don't worry. You only need to make a small change here, and it's tied directly to this worksheet. At the top of the code window, you'll see two drop-down menus. In the General drop-down, choose Worksheet. Once you do that, Excel will create a worksheet event area for you. Then, in the next drop-down, choose Change. This tells Excel that the code should run whenever something on the sheet is changed. You may see extra code appear automatically in the editor. Remove the loose end code at the bottom and leave the top part in place so the structure stays correct. After that, paste the code shown on your screen into this section. This code is what tells Excel to read the value from a specific cell and use it as the sheet name. One important detail here is the cell reference. Make sure you update it based on your own file if needed. In this example, we're using cell L8, so the code should point to L8. If your value is in a different location, be sure to change that reference so the automation works properly. Once that's done, save the code and return to your worksheet. Then test it by changing the value in cell L8 and watching the Sheet tab. If everything is set up correctly, the name of the sheet should update automatically based on that cell's value. If it doesn't work right away, double-check that the code was placed in the correct worksheet window and that the cell reference matches your sheet exactly. Small details like that make all the difference. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.